Hi everyone! In this video we will simplify a fraction. Simplify 66/84. The first thing we want to do to simplify a fraction is divide the numerator and the denominator by the greatest common factor. The greatest common factor between 66 and 84 is 6. Both of these are divisible by 6. 66 divided by 6 is 11, and 84 divided by 6 is 14. 11 is prime, so I know this is in the simplest form, and so I am completely simplified for this fraction. Now, if we didn't know that 66 was divisible by 6, there's another way we can go about this. And when we have larger numbers and we're not quite sure, this is a great way to make sure that we just break it down a little at a time so that it's not quite so overwhelming. Both 66 and 84 are even, so I know that they'll both be divisible by 2. Dividing the numerator and the denominator to keep the ratio the same, I will get 66 divided by 2 is 33, and the denominator, 84 divided by 2, 8 divided by 2 is 4, and 4 divided by 2 is 2, so I get the answer 42. Now I can see that both of these are not even anymore, so I can't divide it by 2. But the sum of both the numerator and the denominator digits give me 6, which means that 6 is divisible by 3, which means both the numerator and the denominator are divisible by 3. So 33 divided by 3 is 11, and 42 divided by 3 is 14, which we'll see it matches the first one as well. But it just broke it down a little bit at a time for what I could see as I was breaking it down so that I could get to the simplest form. If you want to go straight to the greatest common factor, it will give you the simplest form of the fraction. But if you're not quite sure, you can just keep dividing both the numerator and denominator by the same factor and see if you can get it down to be smaller and smaller. And I know that I'm at the end because the numerator is a prime number, which means it's not divisible by anything else but 1 and itself. And unless the denominator is also divisible by that number, then we know we're at an end. And so this is as simplified as it'll go. And we're all done.